Oh my God, Luta, an angel arrived on the 14th of May.